Welcome, students. Going ahead in this lesson, Microbes and Human Welfare. Today, we are going to discuss commercial and industrial production of chemicals such as organic acid, alcohol, and enzymes. Aspergillus niger, it is a fungi and used at a commercial scale production of citric acid. Acetobacter aceti, it is a bacteria and used for the commercial production of acetic acid. Clostridium butylicum, it is a bacteria used for the commercial production of butylic acid, butyric acid. Lactobacillus bacteria is used for the production of lactic acid, and Saccharomyces cerevisiae, the yeast, is used for the industrial production of ethanol. Apart from these, enzyme like lipase is used in detergent formulation. You know, sometimes the oily stains from our clothes needs to be removed, and that oily material is digested by the action of lipase present in the detergent. So this detergent industry requires this enzyme, and it is produced by the bacteria that produces this enzyme. Pectinases and proteases, these are the enzymes, and it is used for the bottled fruit juices preparation. The bottled fruit juices bought from the markets, you can see it is very clearer, and because of the action of proteases and pectinases, these bottled juices are so clearer. A streptokinase enzyme, it is produced by the streptococcus bacteria. The bacteria is modified by the techniques of genetic engineering and used to produce enzyme, and the enzyme is uh, used in the medical industry as clot buster. Clot buster, sometimes in case of cardiac abnormalities, we know that the blood vessels are blocked due to the blood clots, and this blood clot is removed from the blood vessels by the enzyme streptokinase. So it is known as the clot buster. Cyclosporin A is one other bioactive chemical substance and used as immunosuppressive agent in organ transplant. Cyclosporin A is produced by a fungus Trichoderma polysporum. Lovastatin, or sometimes statin, is named. This bioactive compound or molecule is an active ingredient in cholesterol lowering medicinal product, and this product is obtained from the Monascus purpureus, called the red yeast. So these are some of the very interesting medical bio ingredients which are prepared with the help of microorganisms. Microorganisms other than these can play a very important role in sewage treatment. You know, as the human population on the global level is increasing at a rapid scale, the anthropogenic activity has increased too much, and that's why the pollution at various level has increased. So the sewage treatment is one very important aspect in human life. The major component of wastewater generated from cities and towns and even from the municipal wastewater, contains human excreta and various organic matter. It contains large amount of organic matter and microbes also, and these microbes, if the wastewater or sewage is directly disposed of into the open land area, or in case of big cities located beside the river like Ganga and Yamuna, it causes the severe kind of water pollution. So, this sewage needs to be treated before their disposal, and the treatment is done in two different phases. That is primary treatment and a secondary treatment of the sewage. We shall discuss this primary and secondary treatment of wastewater in our next video. In this video, this much only. Thank you.